So how to buy XRP on your Binance PC. So this is your dashboard. If you see this kind of dashboard, then simply go to dashboard, and from here you can see this is my total balance. If you press on your balance, then you can see in spot area you have 565. That's mean this balance is I am using for buy some coin. And in funding area I have $703, that's as USDT. So how to buy new XRP or any other coin from here? So go to dashboard again, and you have to press on your balance again, and then you can see coin view. You can see the search option. Now search XRP, this one. For example, I want to buy XRP. So you have to press on spot and search XRP here. Then you can see the convert and trade option. So you have to use a convert, and from here you need to select your USDT, and this section you have to select XRP. Now enter your amount. For example, I want to buy 10 USDT, and for 10 USDT I able to buy 3.07 XRP. So if you press on convert and press on confirm again, then your XRP successfully. Press on OK. Now if you go back to your dashboard again, and if you press on your balance again, then under sports section you can see your XRP, this one. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.